Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video is ano po tayo? Waiting po kami ng Adhan. It's because everyone here in Saudi is fasting. So this is the food for today. And then with my Adia. So I got Adia guys. I'm so happy. I got Adia. My sir. Actually, Madam and Sir. Madam and Sir. My Madam and Sir, you give me this idea. 1,000 real. And the Philippine, maybe more than... Magkano to, Ada? Sa Philippine? I think 15k, like that. It's idea only, guys. Only gift. So, I'm so blessed because I have Madam, my employer, na mabait. So, this is my kasama, guys. Actually, she's my pamangkin. You see? Yeah. This is my pamangkin, guys. Tapos, ito yung food namin for today. Kasi, holiday po kami hindi kumain. It's because fasting. Actually, ito, madami po ito. Yung alaga namin, nakikain siya at nakainom. No, dito siya, this one, dito to, dati, before, tinimpla dito siya. Eh, dumating yung alaga namin. Binawasan ng binawasan, ininom na ininom. Pati ito, alam nyo guys, yung alaga namin, ano siya, ano siya, hindi siya, sa katulad naming katulong nila. Sabi na natin, ano pa bang dapat itawag doon? So, although sa iba, masakit pakinggan yun, pero here in Saudi, you cannot deny na ano ka talaga. So, hope na naririnig nyo po ako guys. So, ito po yung ano namin, setup po namin. Yeah. So, mahulog po yung aking cellphone. So, dahil maghapon po kaming walang kain, super maghapon talaga. As in, kumain kami mga alas 3 ng madaling araw. Yeah, yun yung yun lang yung last na kain namin for today. So, ngayon, magwiwiting kami ng 6:40 p.m. para start ng kain namin. So, kung nakikita nyo po guys, naka-prepared lang siya, pero hindi kami umiinom or wala kaming kinakain na kasi hindi pa oras ng aming pagkain. So, wala lang guys, naisipan ko lang i-share yung sitwasyon namin today, every fasting or Ramadan. So, tomorrow, magiging busy din kami guys, kasi magkakatay kami ng karoof. Anong sa English yung karoof? Sheep? Sheep. Yeah. So, magkakatay po kami ng karoof tomorrow. So, super busy naman guys. 1 minute. So, for this video lang guys, para may pang-update lang sa aking YouTube channel. And of course, thank you so much guys to Mother Adhan na guys. It's Adhan already. Alhamdulillah guys. So, kakain muna kami guys ha. Yummy! So, ito lang muna guys yung makikita nyo kasi walang maghawak ng phone namin. Phone ko pala para ng video. So, ito lang. Let's eat guys. This one. So yummy guys. So yummy. Sama ko mamu. Masarap sabay si Sarah. So, whole day walang tubig. Nakadalawa akong ganito. So, dalawang basong ganito, guys. Super sarap sa pakiramdam. Quiet, guys. Pakinggan nyo po yung yan. Pag narinig po namin yan, it means kakain na kami. Yan. So, bye guys.
Papa, mama.
Please like and share, guys. Don't forget to subscribe sa mga baguhan ko sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you, guys.